This is a walkthrough of the Trackless vehicle's MT7 digital dash. Starting off with your main display screen, you have all your gauges, messages, and general information. Clicking the center of the navigation button will bring up the main menu. The main menu page is a portal that allows access to all setup and configuration options of the tractor. The content of the main menu may differ depending on the security level granted to the tractor user via the user access page. Diagnostics allows access to all diagnostics features on the tractor. The diagnostics display shows the status of the ECU system at a glance and allows access to other in-depth diagnostics. DPF allows access to all regeneration features of the tractor. Setup allows access to all user convenience features, including unit, time and date, backup camera, language, and brightness. Within the language setting, when French is selected, users are also given the option to view French translations of the tractor decals. DTC allows access to all engine-related information and faults. User access provides access to different levels of users, such as dealer or factory users. Maintenance opens the Maintenance Reminder tool. Within this tool, users can use the navigation button to navigate the screen. Press the center of the navigation button to set the service hours for each category. Using the up-down button adds or subtracts hours. To set the hours, press the center of the navigation button again. Now that the hours are set, the timer has started. The timer is only active when the tractor is running. When the time runs out, a wrench notification icon will appear on this screen, as well as on the main display. Once maintenance is complete, select the category and then click the reset button. The timer will begin counting down again.